Good evening, good evening. Oh, good evening in South Africa and good morning in other countries. I guess it's good afternoon or it's still the morning in the US, I guess in New York. Yeah, somewhere around there. Let's be exact with the time so that we can tell whether it's okay. In New York at the moment it's still almost 4 or 3 minutes to lunchtime, 11:54 a.m. in New York. And then in South Africa, Johannesburg, it's 17:54, which is 5:54 p.m. And when you look at Frankfurt, is same as Johannesburg. So whatever that is happening, ladies and gentlemen, we're just looking at the different time zones, and we look at the London, Europe or UK, it's 16:54, which is 4:54 p.m. Tokyo is it's in the morning at the right moment. So you can tell in Tokyo is 5 minutes to 1 a.m. just after 12 a.m. just after midnight. And yeah, it's good morning to them, I guess. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's not the topic for today. Our topic for today, as we are going live, this is Trendlines Trader, and my name is Offense. I welcome you all, ladies and gentlemen. Let's look at our charts. I hope you are able to see that I'm using NAS100, and this is 4-hourly time frame. I really thank you for being here or watching this video. It's about time we do another live. It's really about time we do another live. So ladies and gentlemen, allow me to just do this, show you Nasdaq movements. Currently Nasdaq is giving us a very beautiful structure. Look at this. I hope let me reduce this watermark ink so that you can be able to see clearly. Remember, color black and yellow is my color theme, is my channel color theme. So I want you guys to be able to see something here. Let me just zoom out a little bit. See, this is visible. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what we used to have. The chart was very bullish, and in the beginning of the year the chart managed to break out of this bullish channel, and our price was giving us this type of structure, is showing us this type of structure. I hope you are able to see the levels forming around the price right there, the levels that the price are presenting to us. I hope this makes very clear sense to you guys. Look at this. Let's zoom out. Let me use the trend lines so that you can be able to see something. Our price is very bearish at the moment, but when you go through the chart, we will see where is exact price, where is this exact what do you call it, momentum, or where is the price pushing at the present moment. So ladies and gentlemen, we can see we had a very bearish channel right here since the beginning of this year. As you can see, the price was, then our price managed to break the resistance, diagonal resistance that you see right here, and it gave us the bullish trend, but the price couldn't push as the break of structure was presented to us right here. We saw the chart giving us a bearish channel. So we're gonna focus around here. Currently we have to see where is the price going, especially for the next coming weeks. That's exactly what I want you guys to understand, and later on we can say, when we trade, we can just focus on the lower time frames, stuff like that. So I want you guys to look at something right here. I hope you guys will look at, help me to witness something right here. Our chart gave us this type of structure. Let me use yes, the chart gave us this type of structure. We can see that we had this type of levels. Just allow me to use this so that we can be able to tell what is happening with these levels. Remember that our price always moves in the form of waveforms, and every time whenever the price push towards the upside or towards the downside, there is a level that it's set for us to be able to use in the future. Because remember, whatever that is happening in trading, it's not something that is happening for the first time. Because one thing I can tell you, this level, if we focus around this level right here, you can see that previously we had this level as our support, and the price broke out of it, retested, it broke and pushed towards the downside. As it came back, it retested and broke as it made this level our support again. But we managed to break out of this area. The price presented this type of structure where we had resistance. So this is a very significant level. As we can see, there's a level right here. We should really be more careful when we trade around this level. So at the moment, we might witness our price push towards the upside to continue with waveform type of waves movements for us to end up reaching this level right here. So this level now is our highest resistance. At the moment it's our resistance. So we just have to wait and witness the price push towards this level right here. I hope you guys are much aware of this level that I'm showing you. So ladies and gentlemen, please don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends, and please click on the thumbs up for liking this video, and remember that there's a little bell there. Can you do me a favor with the bell there? Click that small bell so that you can be notified every time I upload the video. Let's continue with this analysis. Ladies and gentlemen, look at this price right here, this level right here. It's very significant level also. If our price push like this towards this level, we just have to wait and see if the area will be broken so that the price will retest and push towards the upside. It seems like pushing myself towards the corner there. Let me just do it like this, yeah, so that you guys can be able to see. Can I just zoom out? I want to zoom out. Ladies and gentlemen, please don't forget that every time when you watch or rewatch this type of video, when you watch my videos, don't forget to switch your settings of quality level on 1080p. Just go to the corner somewhere right there on the video where you will find the quality level, where you will find the setting button there. So just go through it and change the quality level to 1080p, which is HD, for you to be able to enjoy or witness this chart very clearly, because this is very important for any trader to see the chart very clearly, because you won't be able to trade charts nicely when they are blurry. No, we need to see 1080p, we need to see HD when we look at our chart. So let's go back to our analysis. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you are able to witness that we are having another channel right here, the small one. actually this afternoon or this morning when the price on the open session excuse me, during the open session, during the New York opening session, we witnessed the price breaking out of this channel. Let's go closer to the price. I want you to be able to see something. When the price break out of this level, we just have to see the retest, and the price will push towards the upside. One thing I want you to understand, again, this area right here, it has been respected. The price is showing us the what you call the reversal patterns. So we just have to witness that the price is about to make those reversal patterns, and we will be very satisfied to see the price pushing towards the upside, because we just have to be patient to witness the retest, especially in the bigger time frame, so that we can see. Let's place our buys around this area. I think this is too small for some. Let me just zoom out so that you can be able to see what I'm talking about. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. This is what I'm talking about. I hope this makes sense to you all. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Look at this. The price gives us a very nice type of structure right here. I hope this makes sense to you guys. On our 4 hourly, this looks more like what you call a reversal pattern, because the price is failing to break this area, or the price. Let's go to the line chart. There's something that I really love to be very clear about in the line chart. Line chart, you can see exactly how is the price moving. You won't have to think that the price is just playing around the area, but instead you will be able to have a very clear sense of what is happening around this area. So I want you guys to see that this was the point, that was a very valid point that was made by the price. It was showing us that it was respecting this area, or it was a pullback. Instead of the price after retesting, as the price was coming to retest, instead of it breaking out of this area and give us a lower low, because this is something that I want you to see. If you remember your reversal, this is lower low, this area right here, and the price, instead of breaking this lower low to give us another lower low, we will be saying the price is continuing with your bearish trend. As you can see, every time when we are having this type of trend, bearish trend, we have to see lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. And if the price doesn't make a lower low and fail to break this previous lower low, the price push towards the upside, we will be saying this area right here is being respected because the price failed to break our previous lower low. So this area, as you can see, it's a lower high. When the price pushed towards upside here, it clearly says this area, it's our break of structure, because this is the structure that was forming. This was the channel that was forming. Now this area is pushing towards the upside. It clearly says this is the break of the structure. Hence you will find some on their analysis pictures or videos, they are having this type of BOS, break of structure, right here. I hope that makes sense. Then after breaking the structure, we just have to wait for retest and push towards the upside, because the price will be giving us higher, I hope this is visible, higher high. And when it pushes towards the upside, breaking this level, the higher high, it's giving us another higher high, which means the price was giving us higher high. When it was retesting, it was a higher low, giving us higher high, higher low. I hope that makes sense. If doesn't make sense, you can please do a favor for me, comment on your comment there on the down below there on the comments, and let me know if you understand, because this makes a very big sense for others. But if it doesn't make sense for you, just comment down below there so that I get to understand how we can help you. I am so excuse me, ladies and gentlemen, I think I'm catching flu now. Hey. Okay, let's continue. I'm so grateful for those who are subscribing to our channel. Our channel is growing daily. I really want to say thank you. I'm taking off my head for you guys. This is very nice to witness. Please, those who haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button down there so that we can be able to continue with this type of this type of videos. Ladies and gentlemen, witness this. This is what I mean. Let me go to the line chart. Let's use the trend line. This is what we had previously. If we make sure that our line is making these touches, our line is going closer to the points there to have the touches, because trend line, you must have the touches. The most significant thing with trend lines, when you draw them, you need to have the touches right there. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope this makes sense to you guys. I hope it does make sense to you guys, so that you guys get to understand very, very clear. Look at this. The price is busy breaking this area on the 4-hourly time frame. So what are we waiting for? This is a bigger time frame. We're waiting for those retest, and we will see the price push towards the upside. We just have to wait for that, and then the price will continue with this type of structure. I hope this makes sense. I hope this makes sense to you. It makes sense to some. I hope it makes sense. It will make sense to you. Let's go to the lower time frame. With the lower time frame, you will witness. Let's go to the 30 minutes time frame. You will witness that the area was broken. This is what I'm talking about. Look at the chart there. Let me fix this. Look at the charts there. As you can see on the lower time frame, when you look at our price with the line chart, you can notice, just notice that our trend line is really touching those major or significant points where the price was making the reversals. You can see this is our bearish trend. Now the price is breaking out of the bearish trend. It's about to give us a very beautiful a bullish trend. If it doesn't, we will just continue to witness the price playing around the area, maybe before it push towards the upside. But if it continues to play around the area, you know, it's Nasdaq. Anything can happen. It can come back and break out of this area. I'm not saying if it breaks out of this bearish trend, it clearly says, if it breaks out of this area, it clearly says, or it's official that we are going towards the upside. It usually happens, but sometimes forex is risky. Trading is risky. You just have to understand that what you are doing is risky. You can lose or you can make money out of this. So trading live, it's more risky. Actually going live while trading, it's more risky. This is what I'm talking about, what I was talking about on the bigger time frame. As you can see, on our 4-hourly that we are waiting for the retest. Then we will just have to see the price push towards the upside. If the price doesn't go this way, it will push towards the downside. I hope that makes sense to you. But we just have to witness if the price, it will come to the area and respect this level as a retest and push towards the upside. At the moment, we can say the price is not that volatile as it was on the opening session, because usually on the opening session we find our price moving very volatile, such an extent whereby whenever you say you are opening a trade, you'll find your price is around this area. You say you're opening a buying trade, you'll just find your bearish candlestick. Now you will see it going within 5 minutes time frame. You will be having this type of movements because that's volatility of the opening session. So usually we just have to wait for the price to lose momentum. But if you are familiar with the trading, you can trade those opening session moments where the price is very volatile. Anyway, let's talk about the candlestick at the moment. Since we are waiting for the price to, what am I doing now? Since we are waiting for the price to retest there, yes, it's gonna take time, but let's talk about the candles around this breaking area, or breaking what? Ladies and gentlemen, there is something that I would like you guys to witness or to understand. I don't know why I didn't open my chart around this. There's something that I want you guys to understand. Okay, let's do it like this. This is live trading. This is live video. We will continue doing the lessons. Let's go and look at I was looking for reversal candle. Typing sometimes make mistakes while you type candlesticks. Okay, the spelling is not correct. Anyway, let's look at this. There's images. There's these images that I'm looking for so that I can show you that type of reversal candlestick patterns, so you guys can be able to, what do you call, I'm gonna use this one. Yes, this is exactly what I'm looking for. I hope you guys are able to see this. Let me visit the website. I shouldn't visit the website because it's going to trigger my copyright what on YouTube here. Anyway, you guys can see this. The price is bullish, and after the doji candlestick there, this is a doji candlestick, the price is pushing towards the downside. Let's witness this on our chart. Look at this on our chart. As our price was going or pushing towards the downside, this is the type of a candlestick we witnessed, the doji. Now we witness our price pushing towards the upside. Hey, trading is the scam. Let me tell you, there's no scam here. The scammers are the people who are scamming people who wants to be the traders. You are interested in forex, but you are scared of trading the forex because you are afraid of losing money. Here we deal with losses. And let me tell you guys, failure is part of success. If you think failure is not the opposite of success, it's part of success. Lose or loss is part of win. If you lose some, definitely when you keep on practicing, you will win more than you lost. That's what I want you guys to understand. So this is one thing that I want to show you. I just googled the candlestick, and it showed, or it has proven to me that this is a doji candlestick pattern that we are having right here. And it says this area, or this is our bearish trend. Now we witness this candlestick pattern. It clearly says we are about to have a bullish trend. I hope that makes sense. Or the price is about to make a U-turn. Why I want you to witness this is because our price where it is at the moment. Remember this green band that is here, it's the level that I was saying we should take it as a significant level. One thing I want you to know is that this area right here, it's important because previously the price treated this level as a support. The price found the support around this level and pushed towards the upside. The price came back and retested the level. Still, it respected the level and pushed towards the upside. It came back to the level. If you count, it was 1, 2, now the third touch. What do you expect? Anything can happen. It can break out of, or it would have broke out of this area, but we are no longer there because it didn't break around, that area. It respected the area. And what made us to be aware of the price was about to break this area was this candlestick pattern. Does this make sense? I hope this makes sense. I hope you do understand that whenever we witness the price respecting this area a couple of times, as we witness the price respecting this area a couple of times, we still have to wait for the price to reach this level. And after it presents this type of candlestick pattern, we will know that it's pushing towards the upside. That's when we will be expecting those bullish candlesticks that you witness right here. And don't forget, this is very significant. Not that one, this one. This is a very significant candlestick there. The candlestick that we call what do you call this candlestick? Engulfing candlestick. We don't have to. If you don't believe me, let's go to your Google again. Engulfing candlestick. There we go. I hope you do your studies. This is what I want you guys to see. Bullish candlestick, bullish candle, bearish candle. This is a bearish candle, this is bullish candle. And the length of the bullish candle engulfs the previous red candle. The length. I hope it does make sense. Look at the length that we are talking about. It engulfs the previous candlestick, but this is the doji. Still, it engulfs this previous red candlestick right there. I hope it makes sense, ladies and gentlemen. This is trading forex. But one thing that I want you to witness here, we are having a flag. I guess the price is not gonna push towards the downside, but we are having a flag. Let's do this. Let's go to the lower time frame for you to be able to witness this flag. This is trading, man. Trading made easy. I Hope you guys do understand or get this. Let's go to 15-minute time frame. Okay, it's right with the flag. We will have to witness this type of wait, what did I do with the flag? This is what is happening. Allow me to do it like this. Template. Oh, is my flag? Yeah, I'm circling this area right here so that it shows us that the price will continue consolidate around this area. Usually the flag, let me draw the flag for you. This is the this is the, what do we call a flag? This is our pole. My mouse is showing me bananas. This is our pole, and usually you will find the price pushing like this before it breaks towards the upside. This is our bullish candlestick pattern. Talking about breaking towards the upside, there it's about to happen. In a lower time frame, we will witness the price retesting and push towards the upside. It's a bullish candles, bullish flag pattern. That flag pattern is very significant. There we go. Our price is pushing towards the upside. I hope it makes sense to you guys. Somebody is making money now when the price is pushing towards the upside. Somebody is having ka-ching. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to comment on the comments below. Please comment and let me know if you would love me to continue doing live and to continue with this type of lessons, or should I do videos about, should I make videos about this type of reversal pattern, candlesticks or patterns, reversal or bullish or turning or breaking of structure, candlesticks, patterns, whatever that you would like to us to communicate about or to have information about in this chart, or in this chart. This chart is for you guys to use or to capitalize from, but don't forget to communicate with me. This is a Trendlines Trader YouTube channel where we do daily analysis and sometimes we go live for this type of ideas so that you guys can be able to capitalize with the information we provide you. My name is Offense. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share with your friends, and always click the thumbs button for like, so that our channel grow and grow and grow, and for me to have the spirit to continue searching, doing the research and give or provide the information for you guys. I know people will be asking, when am I giving the signals? It's not about the signals at the moment. At the moment, I'm trying to acquire ourselves with information. Let's learn first, then later we earn. Learn, then later you earn. I really thank you very much. Please don't forget to comment with I like, so that I can tell that you watched the video until the very end. Ladies and gentlemen, it was lovely to have you. Let's continue on the next video.